The North Vietnamese have just retaken the strategic plain of Jars. These are Laos's newest refugees being evacuated just before the communists moved in. The most tragic victims of the seesaw, not-so-secret war in Laos are the refugees.
Life was harder under communist rule. We didn't have the nice things that we had prior to the government falling. My parents, their main desire was to give a better life for me and my 3 other siblings outside of Laos, because within Laos, there was not that opportunity. We decided to leave without telling anybody, and we took a taxi to the area where we had prearranged with the smuggler. And once we made it to the Thai side of the river, we had officially become refugees. We spent 5.5 months in the Nong Khai, Thailand refugee camp, and then we went to another refugee camp in Bataan, Philippines. We spent another 7.5 months there. Then we got word that my uncle had sponsored us to California, where we built our new life in the United States. My experience as a refugee motivates me every day. Throughout our escape, there were many people that helped us, that lent a helping hand. Because of all of the help that we got, I feel like I need to give back. And they're struggling through the same things that I went through. Those people's story is my story. When I was in the refugee camps in Nong Khai, Thailand, we had lights, 1 light bulb in our little room, and it was provided to us maybe 2-3 hours at night only. And it was a very dim light, but that made the nighttime bearable. There's over 1 billion people in the world that don't have power, don't have access to electricity. And our mission is to provide those people with an opportunity and access to power. There's still damage and devastation everywhere in Puerto Rico. I went to a place that looked like the hurricane had just hit the day before. Roofs were blown off, power lines were on the streets, trees had fallen over and knocked over and damaged homes. Power has been restored to a lot of the major areas, but in the mountain areas, in the rural areas, it may take another year. The sick and the old that need medical attention, that need equipment to help them, for example, breathe at night, they don't have these devices that's keeping them alive. And so, unfortunately, many people are dying because there's no power. Inergy designs and manufactures energy storage systems using renewable power. So what that means is we use resources like the wind or water or solar, the sunlight, to convert that into electricity and store it in our systems. These systems then, in turn, power devices that enrich your life. That's what the Kodiak solar generator will do. And that's what it will offer for the people of Puerto Rico. The Kodiak has already changed many people's lives in Puerto Rico. We've donated several systems and have sold many systems to families and organizations in Puerto Rico. And it's allowing them to get back to a normal life. There's so many things that power can do. It enriches us, it empowers us, it changes us, it allows us to become better than who we are. Power is everything. It's the foundation of everything that we do in life. It makes things happen. It makes things move. It changes things. It improves things. That's what power is. Power is life. As part of Empower Puerto Rico, we want to make a bold promise. For the next 15 days, for every kit that is purchased, we will donate a kit to a needy family in Puerto Rico in your name. Join us, because together we can bring power back to Puerto Rico.